Starting in the name of Allah, who is the most merciful, supreme, and powerful. Hello students, I am Mansoor Hassan, English language teacher at Oxford Education Academy, Patna. And this video is for the students of class 7th and 8th. Our today's topic is pronoun and its types. So, what is pronoun? A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun in a sentence. Pronouns are used so our language is not cumbersome with the same nouns being repeated over and over in a paragraph. I, me, mine, myself, she, her, hers, herself, we, us, ours, and ourselves are some examples of pronoun. Why we need them? Why do we use pronouns? To avoid repeating nouns, we use pronouns to avoid repeating the same nouns in a paragraph or in a sentence. Why? Because repeating nouns make sentence cumbersome and complex. To avoid complexity of sentences, we use pronoun. Let me explain it more with examples. First example, Asad bought the book because Asad wanted to read it. In this sentence, we repeat the same noun again. Asad bought the book because he wanted to read it. The same sentence, but we replace Asad with he with pronoun, and became easy. Another example: the dog was barking because the dog was hungry. So the dog was barking because it was hungry. We can use pronoun it instead of repeating the same noun again. Another example, Sarah was crying, so Sarah's father gave Sarah a bicycle. If we are using the same noun again and again in the same sentence or in the same paragraph, so it is irritating. So for avoiding this complexity, irritation, we use pronouns. Look at this. Sarah was crying, so her father gave her a bicycle. So instead of repeating the same noun, Sarah, 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 we can use her pronoun. Types of pronoun. So these are the types of pronoun: personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, indefinite pronoun, interrogative pronoun, intensive and reflexive pronoun, and reciprocal pronoun. Let me explain it one by one. First one, personal pronoun. Personal pronouns are pronouns that are associated primarily with a particular grammatical person. It tells us about point of view for first person, second person, or third person, and also tells us about gender of the pronoun. Personal pronouns are based on two types: subject pronoun and object pronoun. Subject pronoun used for subjects in sentence, and object pronouns used for objects in sentence. I, you, we, they, he, she, and it are subject pronoun. Me, you, us, them, him, her, and it are object pronoun. Examples of personal pronouns used in sentences. Subject pronoun. I prepare presentation. You watch TV. We cooked rice. They did homework. He called police. She read a novel. It eats chicken. I, you, we, they, he, she, and these pronouns in these sentences are used in the place of subject, used for subject, so we call it subject pronoun. Object pronoun. Presentation is prepared by me. As it played with you. Someone who teaches English, police, and from them. I told him to take care. The test is given by her. They beat it. So in these sentences, me, you, us, them, him, her, and it are used for objects, and these are pronouns, so we call it object pronoun. And subject and object pronoun are types of personal pronouns. Another type of pronoun, possessive pronoun. Possessive pronouns are used to show possession or ownership of someone or something. Possessive pronoun includes mine, yours, ours, theirs are their, his, hers, and its. Examples of possessive pronouns used in sentence. The books are mine means the books belongs to me. So simply we can say the books are mine by using possessive pronoun. The kids are yours. The kids belongs to you. So we can simply say the kids are yours by using possessive pronoun yours. Yours is the possessive form of your. These gifts are ours. The money was really theirs. The blue coat is his. The ring is hers. That's not its book. Mine, yours, ours, theirs, his, hers, and its are possessive pronouns and used for possessions or ownership. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you are facing any difficulty or if you are having any question, you can ask me.